So you just type on the create. So let's say we take this. And if you choose something, you will also get more like them. So if you want to choose something else, you can choose. And let's say this is the one that we will go with. So I want the color to be blue, or you can actually pick any color. Let's say so it's, so you can change the text. You have multiple styles. You have handwriting, corporate display. Let's say go for bold. So you get all the different type of fonts that you can go on bold. So I chose one, and this is the design. I like the design, so I go ahead and give it some effects on the text. So I can make it, there's a shadow thing, or you can offset depending on how much you want. You can make it a little darker or transparency a little lighter. If you want an outline, do that as well. Let's say I'll do it black and change the color of the text to white. So in this case, I can increase the thickness also to make it look better. And I can also change the spacing between them, letter spacing. So you can spread it around a bit.
If you want to mention, if there are any questions, they can keep in the chat box.
So if you have any questions, please let me know in the chat box. Okay. For the tagline, I took a corporate look. So let's say I go, I did this and I want to make it bigger. So I'll just bigger. Letter spacing is too much. So
Okay, so they're asking is there any AI integration. So I think this is okay. Just explain the brand quickly and then you know.
so this turns out to be a logo. So you can save this in your on your desktop. Go here, download, then in a PNG format, and download it. So then there is a thing called brand. You go to brand kit and you can create a new one. This is cloud company create. So you will get everything that you want to put here. You can add your logo. Hmm. So automatically it will catch the colors that are in this. If you want to add a new color, you can add palette. So if you want any other palette, you can add here, or else just add another color. So I put this. So you get three colors in your all the colors that you are that your company logo has, and then you can add fonts here. So this is the primary font, and this would be your subtitles font. And you can add others also as and when you need, as much as you need. So that is how you create your brand kit. You have brand voice options. You can add images, graphics, and icons also for your own brand. You can customize it uh, as much as you like. So that is one good thing about Canva. So that is it. So now, so if you want to make a flyer, you can search uh, in the designs, and you will see they will give you different type of templates, and you can just pick any whichever you want. So here you can just change your name. You can put all your stuff. So this element has different color palette. So I will just go and can change all of them just to make it more cohesive with your own design. So this is how you can create it's a sample creation of a template. You can also get it print through Canva. So depending on what you want, how many you want, everything is there. So you can add them.
You can also connect it if it's connected with the LinkedIn or social pilot and all or buffer. You can directly also post through share
Yes. So here also you can share this if you want to share it on things. Let's say
like
so,
WhatsApp.
yeah, so you have WhatsApp option. You have others also. So you can connect it with your
So essentially, if you have connected it already with your, let's say, LinkedIn or like I showed last time, Buffer or Social Pilot, whatever, So you
Mm-hmm.
can directly export this into that as well as an option instead of downloading on your desktop and then again.
So you can share it on Instagram, Facebook page,
Yes.
X. You can WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger. So you have quite a bit of options. You just have to log in through your credentials, and it can be shared directly to that particular portal. So this can be done through this.
Rahulji, you had something around flyers, right, last time around. So anything you want to ask specific on this?
No, 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 it's fine. It's just that how we use it better with AI.
Correct. So, like this.
So this is and you can convert this into a reel also. You just have to do the resize of this one, and if you want to update this and share it on social media, so you can get these options of on what you want to change it to. So let's say you want to convert it into an Instagram reel, so you can copy and resize, or you can resize this design as well if you have already saved the design. So if I do copy and resize, it will do that.
Because I think last time there was a question around that also. Ki, Instagram maybe like reel is going to be a different size, story is a different size,
Mhm.
everything is perfect.
So this will is now
Yeah.
resized, and you can open the page. So this will, the elements are there in the thing. You just have to realign them a bit so that it falls in the thing.
ठीक
So this is how you can make it all.
ठीक ठीक ये
So this is how you can create a flyer to a reel. All right. So okay, presentation measuring how this.
नहीं ये reports में
So the other option is the other thing. So here is what they have, this magic media where I mean you can create this particular. For example, I need a post that goes every week, and it is a motivational speech or some kind of quotation. So I can create just one format and have I want the same format in different different quotes in the same format. So what I'll do, I'll do a bulk
So
create.
the step before this is that you have to put it in ChatGPT, asking or ChatGPT, whichever is your choice, saying that I want, let's say, 9 leadership quotes. So you can give the background, like I explained earlier on the content. So you give the background, कि ये, this is the background, कि इसके लिए चाहिए. So they, and I want 9 leadership quotes. So they will give it to you in the format that you want. So if you specify कि I want it in the format of a quote and the author, so they will give you these two fields.
Okay. So you can get all that information from ChatGPT or Gemini. Gemini can also help. So you can get that information, go to the sheets, and you can paste here A B. Now since I have a sheet here,
So this is very similar to your Excel or Google
yeah,
Sheets.
Google Sheet or Excel, it's exactly like that. So it has already been pasted here. So it is the code and this is the author. So this is how it is there. So So then they will say that two data fields added. One is quote and one is author. You just check the quote and the author is right. Continue, and then they will select all 9 designs and generate 9 designs.
How did you copy it from there to here?
Just copy paste on the.
So for example, you get it like Google, like let's say ChatGPT gives you the thing,
Mhm.
so you can just copy paste it. directly into Canva ka sheets, या तो if you prefer putting it in Google Sheets, and you can copy paste it back. You can even upload a Google Sheet directly.
Yes, you can do that.
And where's the
If you
Canva
have,
sheet?
so here,
It
this is the Canva sheet.
is an apps, right? Steps.
It's under. So I'll show you again. So go to the apps, then bulk create. Then you have the option of sheet, which is Canva sheet, or you can also add a Google sheet.
Okay, okay, fine.
The Canva sheet, they will open a blank Canva sheet, so you can add the thing here and done, and then they will connect it there. So this is how it will generate once you do that. It is the same format, but everything is different. The codes are changed, the author is changed, so you have to just realign them a bit so that it's within the format. Like this is too big, so you can make it a little smaller. Similarly, it is for them. So all the elements are movable, so you can just play around. So that is how you can do all of them, and then you can schedule them on the channels uh, one by one. So that is the bulk create, which and Canva does, and they have this magic media, which is basically their AI. So you can give them a prompt to create anything, and they will do their best to create it. The images are fine. The videos are not that great at the moment. So it is hit and miss.